There. No, it's recording. And this is the Sriracha? Sriracha, my love. La cucaracha y yo pongo cucaracha. Sirata, no Sriracha. This is the Sirata Hotel. And where am I putting place? And over there on the right is a monkey dancing. Well, I had to record the good view, not the bad view. And this is our bedroom. Actually, little clean, but not too much.
If you get a big ass, it ain't gonna work on the toilet.
Yeah, they got small toilet.
These toilets ain't made for big people.
For little kids.
It'd be like a suppository.
Great. And but there is what is the name?
This is good.
And this is the little living room and dining room. I'm not holding the camera. Maybe going to
I
be
do that all day, every time she let it go.
it's going to be Bobby. And this is our view.
Good.
And that side is the bay, Tampa Bay. And I just testing, see, yeah, in this camera GoPro work good because I just let them in. And that's it. This is all a Sirata or Sriracha Hotel. Now here?
This is my piggy, dragging my butt out here. She missed the sunset because she was eating.
That was stupid.
Yeah, I had to feed the wife. That was my fault.
We can do see the free sunset, but we missed it.
Yep,
Just hopefully tomorrow is not cloudy because it's cloudy.
that should be okay.
I will not able to see that. The good thing yesterday, we.
All the way home.
One click.
Monthly? But
There you go.
thanks to sleep, so.
She had a long day. Very, very long day. She had to walk, what, a mile? What she's calling 10 miles, about a half mile.
No, and we
Yeah.
swim about 4 hours on the beach.
Shit.
No, on the pool.
That means about 30 minutes. This is wife translating here.
And
She's broken.
a woman of my age, no need to be doing that kind of stuff.
She's a whole 24 years old and she just broken.
Multiply by 3.
They don't teach multiplication in Mexico?
Yeah, you say 3, almost 50.
I said 25.